SB19 songs Ikako played in Madame Tussauds Hollywood Wax Museum. An 18 who was in Madame Tussauds Wax Museum in Hollywood Boulevard has shared this exciting video with SB19 song Ikako being played in such a popular place.
Pinapatugtog yung SB19 napatugtog dito sa Madame Tussauds Hollywood. Hindi ko alam kung yung DJ dito o yung magpapatugtog dito Filipino or ano, pero I'm here at Madame Tussauds and SB19 is playing. It's kind of like medyo nakaka-proud moment kasi siyempre, di ba? Nasa Madame Tussauds tayo, Hollywood, and then SB19 is playing, di ba? Diba?
Pumunta ka para paikot. Ano yung bag mo?
SB19.
Kay Vin Diesel.